Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in the today's science class. As you know, last time we completed very short answer up to question number 8. Name 4 countries which are leading producer of wool and which country produce the best wool in the world. Now in very short answer only one question is remaining. Give example of question number 9, that you will consider it from the book and please answer is in this manner. Question होगा, give example of 2 health hazards associated with sericulture. Health hazards associated with sericulture. Sericulture are health hazards associated with sericulture are. Very simple answer. First one, asthma. And second one, that is skin infection. Skin infection. This is your answer number 9. Okay. Now our next one, that short answer type questions. Look now. Short answer type questions. In which the first question is in this manner: what is the maximum length of continuous silk thread that can be obtained from a cocoon? Answer is in this way. Maximum length of continuous silk thread that can be obtained from a cocoon, is 300 meter. 300 meter. This is the answer only, one word answer. Maximum length of continuous silk thread that can be obtained from a cocoon is 300 meter. Now please look, our next question is, which of two, silk or wool, is smooth to touch? Our answer number second, it's only two option we have. कौन सा स्मूथ होगा टच करने पर, सिल्क या वूल? अपना आंसर होगा सिल्क इज स्मूथ टू टच. Silk is more smooth to touch. Only your answer, silk is more smooth to touch. Okay. Now answer number third. Look the question in the book now. Question is, why does caterpillar of a silk moth feed continuously? Answer is in this manner. Caterpillar of silk moth feed on mulberry leaves. Feed on mulberry leaves. Feed on mulberry leaves continuously for the growth. During this time, for the growth. During this time, it sheds its skin. Please look on the upper side. Remaining answer is here. It sheds its skin four times. Now look, what is our answer? Caterpillar of silk moth feed on mulberry leaves continuously for the growth. During this time, it sheds its skin. It sheds its skin four times. In this manner, our third question is complete. We are reaching now where? On the last question of short answer. That is in this manner. Please look. It contains some parts. Answer number 4, which has the 3 question including in it. That is answer number 4. इसके अंदर 3 अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस हैं, उनके आंसर हम बता रहे हैं आपको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which bacterium found in the wool processing work? What disease caused by this bacterium? Answer is in this way. Anthrax bacterium is found in wool processing work. First answer, anthrax is the main bacteria. Anthrax is found in anthrax bacteria is anthrax bacterium is found anthrax bacteria is found in wool processing work. Wool processing work. Only anthrax bacterium. This is the main answer. One more question in it. That is, what disease caused by this bacterium? Answer is, that is the Shorter's disease. Shorter's disease is caused by Shorter's disease is the main answer. Is caused by this bacterium. This is our first of the 4th answer is complete. Now look, B question of the 4th. Yes sir. Name 2 health problems associated with silk processing. Yes sir. That is the asthma and bronchitis. Asthma and bronchitis. Bronchitis are the health problems. Asthma and bronchitis are the health problems. Health problems associated with the silk processing. Associated with the silk processing. Silk processing. Okay. Now one more. Okay. Thank you very much. Remaining work we will complete tomorrow. Thank you very much.